In this video, we'll explore the CodeRunner tool and demonstrate how you can use it within DCKAP Integrator. The CodeRunner tool is designed to execute Python scripts with a specific list of allowed packages and built-in methods, enabling users to perform various operations using Python code. The input section allows you to use data from the data hub by assigning a variable name to it. To use a variable name, you need to enter the inputs for that variable name. Once you've added your script in the CodeRunner, the output should be saved in a variable called response so it can be used later in workflows. Now, let's see a scenario of how you can use CodeRunner in DCKAP Integrator. I'm using CodeRunner 3 to create the ASN filter, which is the API filter we're using. It extracts 3 different values from 3 separate nodes with the final API filter stored in the response variable. This is then used in another node, specifically in the parameter section of an API node. Upon the successful completion of the integration process, you will find that the API filters are formatted with the API inputs utilized within the CodeRunner tool. Thank you.
Subscribe to DCKAP on YouTube and explore the DCKAP Learning playlist. Check the description below for more.